If you want to download new apps on a Nothing Phone 3A, the best way to do so is by using the Play Store. This is an app pre-installed that we have on our phone after the first configuration. It is made by Google, and this app provides you access to multiple different apps. The list is really huge, and the only thing that you need in order to be able to use this app is a Google account. So if you are not signed in, or if you don't have the account yet, then you will need to create one to be able to use the Play Store. Over here we can search for games and apps. You can also use search over here. As you can see, we have different categories for games and apps. Over here also we can scroll down to find some suggestions. At the top we can also switch to categories. And let's see, we're gonna use maps and navigation, for example. So if we select any app, then we have the install button. So we can tap on the install button in order to start downloading and installing the app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.